Howdy y'all. I've been a fan of tech and video games for 30 years, but everything is getting more expensive, the quality isn't matching the price, and every day more companies are stripping away features and ownership from the things we buy. But you know what's cheap, easy to own, and hopefully repairable? eWaste. For over a year now, I've been doing one project a week, one video a week, looking at different pieces of gaming and tech history, repairing it or outright modding it into something it was never meant to do. I'm exploring homebrew scenes, preservation efforts, and open source projects because I still want to find the joy that was in silly gadgets before the corporations decided everything will be a paid subscription, AI driven, and trapped inside their walled gardens. And I want to do it my way. No company sponsorships, no paid reviews or chasing trends, and absolutely no in-video ads. I just want to make fun videos around my hobby, and I'm not about to let it be scripted or censored by some tech exec. Hopefully along the way, some can learn from my projects, keep tech out of the landfill, reclaim ownership, and find cheaper alternatives to things being made today. We don't need to buy the newest things when there's tech that already exists. Why not breathe new life into it? So watch along if you'd like, as I make my way across the eWastelander.